Press the M button once to switch between 4 gimbal follow modes. After every switch, the status panel displays the corresponding mode. Press the M button 3 times to enter standby mode and reduce battery usage. Press any button to exit. When multifunctional module is connected to your phone, press the M button twice to enable disable phone charging using the module. Move the joystick to tilt and pan the mobile phone. You can also gently push the gimbal to adjust its position. Double push the joystick to the left or right. The gimbal will automatically rotate. Double press the trigger to stop the rotation and recenter the gimbal. Press the shutter or record button, take a photo or stop recording. When using DJI Mimo, press and hold the shutter record button in photo mode for burst shooting. Press the switch button twice to switch between landscape and portrait modes. When using DJI Mimo, press the switch button once to switch between the front and rear camera. Press the switch button 3 times to switch between photo and video modes. Press and hold the button to view the playback. Press the button once during playback to return to the camera view. Press and hold the wheel to turn on/off the fill light. When the fill light is on, rotate the wheel to switch between 8 levels of brightness or color temperature. Press the wheel once to switch between controlling brightness and color temperature. In DJI Mimo, you can press the wheel twice to set the effect of rotating the wheel to focus and zoom control, or brightness and color temperature control. Press the wheel once to switch between focus, zoom, or joystick zoom mode. In zoom mode, rotate the wheel to zoom in or out. In focus mode, rotate the wheel to adjust the focusing distance. In joystick zoom mode, vertically move the joystick to control zoom. Press the trigger once to enable active track. Press the trigger twice to recenter the gimbal. Press the trigger 3 times to rotate the phone 180 degrees in the horizontal plane. Press and hold the trigger, enter lock mode. Release to exit. Press once and then press and hold to adjust the follow speed to fast mode. Release to exit. When the gimbal is powered off, connect the port to your phone to enable phone charging. If your phone has a heavy lens module or lens filters attached, you can add counterweights on the roll axis for better balancing.